Well, I finished my board for the conference that we're going to be having. It's called a tabletop workshop, and mine is, as you can see, it's about Makey. But I really like putting this poster together, just a poster board, and I put my badges there and a little information about Makey. Also put a video. Created a video about different types of things that you can do with it as well. And but I'm really satisfied with this board. It turned out pretty well, and I just hope everybody likes it. And the content um, is also on the videos as well. So I'm sorry, the QR codes. There's a lot of content with those QR codes. But anyway, thanks for watching. And just look, this is what you do and have the workshop. Make a poster board. Anyway, till next time. See ya.